Hey, it's Taylor at Cold Creek, and today I've got a really unique camellia, and that is the Corkscrew Camellia. It is a hybrid. It will need a little bit of shade. So here in the south, it will need some afternoon shade. It has these pink, semi-double peony blooms that'll bloom from fall all the way to winter. And the reason it's called corkscrew is because it grows in this really contorted fashion, and that will be 6 to 8 feet tall and wide, but it's slow growth, so you don't have to worry about it getting really big on you quick. It's great for a specimen plant. It's great for a container. You can even use it as a border. So here, it's a unique camellia to have. If you come on down, we'll be willing to show you where it is, along with many other camellias.